Snacks tend to get a bad rep, but snacking on the right foods can be an important part of a healthy diet. Think about snacks as an opportunity to bring more nutrition to your day, while also keeping you energized and focused in between meals. Instead of reaching for traditional snacks like chips, cookies and crackers, which can contain a lot of sugar, salt and saturated fat, all of which, in excess, can raise your risk for heart disease. Try to snack more on whole foods. Fruits, vegetables, beans, nuts, seeds and whole grain products add fiber, vitamins, minerals and antioxidants to your day, and can contribute to a healthier heart. Here are 5 of the healthiest snacks to eat for your heart. 1. Energy balls. Many homemade energy balls pack a lot of heart-healthy ingredients into one small bite. Choose ones with oats, since they have cholesterol-lowering effects, per a 2018 review in Food and Function. And nuts, seeds or nut butter for their healthy unsaturated fats. For an even bigger punch, add chia, flax or hemp seed for some omega-3 fatty acids. According to a 2021 review in The Lancet, omega-3s have been linked to a reduced risk of cardiovascular events, like heart attacks, and improved outcomes when they do happen. 2. Apple with nuts or nut butter. Many studies have shown the heart health benefits of regularly eating nuts. For example, a 2019 study in Circulation Research states that many meta-analyses have demonstrated that frequent consumption of nuts is linked with a lower risk of developing hypertension, high blood pressure, and cardiovascular disease. Bonus, nut butter counts, too. And when you combine nut butter with fruits and vegetables that also have heart-healthy components, you multiply your heart health superpowers. 3. Roasted pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are a good source of magnesium, which may lower blood pressure and reduce your risk for heart disease, per a 2020 review in the Journal of Women's Health. They also contain fiber, unsaturated fat and plant-based protein, all of which contribute to heart health and make for a satisfying snack. Similar to nuts and dried chickpeas, store-bought versions are a good convenient option. 4. Roasted carrots with dip. Roasting carrots not only brings out more flavor, but the olive oil used to roast them adds heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. Roast a bunch at the beginning of the week for an easy grab-and-go snack. Pair with an avocado or tahini-based dip for even more heart-healthy fats packed into your snack. If you prefer the crunch of raw carrots, that's a great option too. 5. Green smoothie. Smoothies are the perfect way to pack in a lot of nutrients that promote heart health. For example, our Really Green smoothie is filled with good-for-you ingredients, like bananas. Bananas add sweetness to the smoothie and contain potassium, a mineral linked to lower blood pressure. Per a 2018 review article in the journal Hypertension, the avocado in this smoothie creates an incredibly creamy texture and contributes monounsaturated fats, which have been shown to have cardiovascular health benefits, according to a 2018 review in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. Pair that with the omega-3s and fiber in chia seeds and nutrient-packed spinach, and you have an incredibly heart-healthy snack in a glass. 6. Roasted chickpeas. Eating beans, like chickpeas, is linked to a 14% reduced risk of heart disease when comparing those who eat the most legumes to those who eat the least, according to a 2019 study in Advances in Nutrition. Roasted chickpeas are the perfect snack to satisfy a crunch craving, and they can be made savory or sweet. For a flavor burst, Murchver likes to toss them with a little olive oil, garlic and smoked paprika. If making your own at home feels like too much, buy a bag of roasted chickpeas. Just watch out for flavors that contain a lot of salt or added sugar. Aim for less than 200 milligrams of sodium or less than 4 grams of added sugar per serving, if possible.